Hey guys, welcome to Compound Body once again today, and I've got Tay here with me. Today we're going to be doing the cable deadlifts. This exercise is extremely great to develop the glute muscles as well as a little bit in the hamstring. You will definitely feel there, but with proper execution, you are going to be feeling it more so in the glutes than anywhere else. So the first thing she did was to set up her weight, and then you could grab a bar. Now the bar can be different variations, but today we're gonna just be using the small straight bar. And then what she's gonna do, she's gonna proceed to put a bit of tension on it. So that's what you want. You want to give yourself some distance so that there's tension on the cable. And then as you can see, she's flat back, she's poised, and she has a neutral spine. So now she's going to begin the execution of the technique, and as you can see, her legs are have a shoulder width apart distance. So slower is better for this technique, because one key mistake that a lot of people will make with this technique is that they will pull with their arms and they won't realize it per se, but when you slow down the movement, then you can kind of feel the movement in the area that you want to feel it in. Alright guys, and thanks for watching our video today. Don't forget to leave your likes and your comments in the comment section. Hit us up with any comments or anything that you want to see next. Also any exercises or ask your questions. Don't forget to reach out to us on social media or just in the comment section. And you could also visit our website for anything that you want. We have meal plans, training plans. Some of them are free and some of them are paid. Alright guys, and we will see you next time. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Boom! All right, guys, eat, sleep, lift, play, and have a great day.